All right, so here is the COSTWAY mini split, AC and heat. Here are all the lines. Comes with both of them. This nice foam attached already, so you don't have to feed anything through. There's the power cable for the outside unit, the power from the inside to the outside. You got the drainage hose, your wall plate, your putty for this round tape for the lines. I already called up my AC guy and he said it's pretty straightforward. He came by today and looked at all the parts and he said it's going to be a super easy job. Everything came nicely packaged. This is the front of the outside unit and it is 115 volt. So really you can just wire in directly to the house. You don't have to really do anything, but I would just add a new breaker for this unit so it can be on its own independent circuit. But overall, everything came nicely packaged, so I'm ready to get this thing working inside the garage so I can start working on cars.
Okay, as requested, right now it's in air conditioning mode, and on the inside it's blowing, and not a darn thing's happening out here. And tested all the connections. We've got 120 volts to the leads, nothing coming through on the ground. Last night the fan was blowing, not real fast, and you could hear kind of a humming or buzzing sound. Nothing is shorting or touching anything else, so I checked that. I'm going to take you inside and we'll see if it's still blowing, but it's certainly not obviously going to be cold or anything. So it's blowing, but it's just room temperature, even though it's on AC instead on 61. And it was doing essentially the same thing for heat.